Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are a subscriber, thank you so much for watching. Today's video, we do have a special guest. So what's your name?
My name is Amaya.
Yes, her name is Amaya. I hope you guys enjoy the recipe. Now I do have a little disclaimer. The way I make the shrimp cocktail and the shrimp ceviche, it might be a little bit different from recipes that you guys have tried before. So what I like to do is I like to start by washing all of the vegetables. I wash them thoroughly, and especially now with like COVID going on. I also sometimes disinfect them and then I wash them down. So they are washed out already in the sink. So the next step is to peel the cucumbers, and then I'm gonna chop everything up. I also forgot to include that you are gonna be needing lemons along as well. So the first step from here is I like to actually boil the shrimp, which and I got the medium-sized shrimp, 2 pounds of crab, and then we also like to eat them with tostadas. Everything is like nice and chopped evenly. I don't have any big chunks of anything. So I already chopped up the onion. Now here goes the tomato. Now with this recipe, you can either make shrimp cocktail or the shrimp ceviche. And I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys what the difference would be in making both. Are done and boiled. I'm gonna cut it into pieces, and then I'm gonna squeeze some lemon. Next step is you're gonna get your shrimp, and you are gonna chop it up into medium-sized pieces, depending on how chunky you like it. Usually for the ceviche, it is cut into smaller pieces, and then for the cocktail, you can put halves of the shrimp, or you can put the full shrimp. I'm making two, making one of the ceviche and then a small bowl of shrimp cocktail. I am going to be doing both. Okay, next you are going to be adding salt. I went ahead and I added all the shrimp pieces in here. You're going to add all of your lemon juice, salt, and I also like to add a little bit of lemon pepper just to give it a little bit more taste. I use salt-free, hold on guys, salt-free, Mrs. Dash, what is it called? Dash. Just a little bit of lemon pepper. And then you'll so the ceviche is actually ready. You're gonna chill it in the refrigerator. I like to chill it for about an hour before we eat it. So this is what it looks like. This is the final product. If you guys can add more lemon if you want. I'm gonna go ahead and add just a little bit more lemon just to make it more watery and juicy. And then I will refrigerate this. So the next step is to go ahead and you have your ceviche in here, and we're gonna go ahead and chill it in the refrigerator for about an hour. I am gonna add some cucumber in here, some crab, and some picante clamato with ketchup, salt, and pepper.